Hi, this is Walter Bond and welcome to another edition of Motivational Monday. You know what? All the calls we got from that last Motivational Monday was powerful. A lot of organizations realize that they're not accountable. And if you're not accountable, it's going to be very, very frustrating for your organization to go to that next level. So I thought this week, I want to give you a clear picture of how we teach accountability and how we help organizations drive their bottom line. Here's the model, okay? As your accountability increases as an organization, guess what's going to happen? It's going to improve your culture. As your culture improves, it's going to increase your employee engagement. As your employees increase their engagement, that is what's going to drive your bottom line results. To make it plain and simple, that's what's going to make you more money as an organization. So it all begins with accountability. I want to paint the picture again so you get it. I want you to understand how we help organizations increase the bottom line. By increasing accountability, your culture is going to improve. As your culture improves, people's employee engagement is going to increase. As engagement increases, so will your bottom line. So if you want to go to the next level as an organization, it's all going to begin with what? That's right, accountability. I want to announce something very exciting. We actually have 2 assessments. They're proprietary to us. We created them just for you. We have one assessment where we can come into your company, your organization, and give you a score collectively as to how accountable you are as an organization. If you're not happy with the score, hire me. I will help you lift the score. I just taught you if your score lifts, it's going to equal results, and it's going to pay for me easy. Okay? But most importantly, we have an accountability assessment for individuals. You should not only know how accountable your organization is, but wouldn't you want to know how accountable you are? Give us a call at 763-404-1519. We are all about accountability. This is Walter Bond. We would love to give you an assessment for your organization and for you as an individual. 763-404-1519. Make sure you have all your friends and colleagues go to walterbond.com and sign up for this Motivational Monday. We want 100,000 people to spend their Monday mornings with me, Walter Bond, Mr. Accountability.